Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I want to do an overview of my cuckoo clock. Give you a close-up look at some of the features, the craftsmanship. This cuckoo clock is made by the Hones, H-O-N-E-S company. It's a German company. The face does say made in Germany. The face has wooden numbers with the Hones logo as the numeral 12, wooden hands. This is the Live Hunter edition clock. The top of the clock, it has a mount, two weapons, some nice oak leaves. The cuckoo sounds on the half hour and hour, and the dancers will dance on the hour. On this side there's a rabbit. It's a full 3D carving. On the other side is an eagle. Same thing with a 3D carving and additional oak leaves behind each of the two animals. There's the hunter's horn that circles the clock. It's carved out all the way to the center. There's also a game bag carving. Some of the little finer details. You'll see some acorns on the oak leaves. Each side has that. I did upgrade to the wooden weights. The clock comes with brass weights, and I liked the look of these wooden weights, so I made that upgrade. The pendulum is an oak leaf. Overall, just a really nice quality cuckoo clock. The bellows for the cuckoo exit on this side. I'll go ahead and set it to cuckoo at the 30-minute mark. And then at the hour mark. This is an 8-day cuckoo clock. The weights need to be brought back up at least once every 8 days. It also has a nighttime feature I can turn on so the cuckoo and the music do not sound in the evenings when everybody's asleep. But that's an overview of my cuckoo clock. I'll put some links in the descriptions. I purchased it in Frankenmuth Clock and German Gift Company in Frankenmuth, Michigan. So I'll add a link to that and also the model number. Thanks for watching.